back to my channel. My name is Bernice, and if you're new here, congratulations on waking up this morning. I'm going to be doing my first ever lace wig install on myself using this wig, the Sensational Kelsey wig. And yeah, I'm going to go and using my olive oil extra grip wig gel. This is my first time using this. This is my first time doing the lace wig install on myself, and so we're going to see how this goes. So I'm going to go ahead and squirt some onto my hand and then apply it to the perimeters of my head. I'm starting off with my first layer, and then I'm just going to use my comb to help to lay it down all the way, and my fingers. And we're just going to work this around the perimeter of my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my wig cap on top of the gel and try to lay the wig cap down. Y'all. You guys are going to see what happened and the tragedy that is my life with this wig cap. So I'm just pushing it down, trying to get the gel to adhere to the wig cap. And I'm adding more gel because I didn't get all the way around, or it wasn't tacky enough. There wasn't enough gel. So I'm just adding more. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my stocking cap around my head, the perimeters of where I have the wig cap at, and to hold it down. And we're going to get into finally showing off this beautiful wig. This is the Sensational Kelsey wig in the color T1B30, I believe. It's such a beautiful wig. I definitely would recommend it. It's super soft and just really, really nice. This wig comes with 2 wig clips at the front sides of the wig and 1 wig clip in the back to hook up to the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this wig cap off, and you guys are going to see where my downfall comes from, okay? So I'm going to cut, trying to get around the perimeters of my head, my edge line, just to get the wig cap to line up to my edge line. Everything's all good and dandy now. It was going so well. It was such a good time. We were having a good time. The scissors was working, but it started to work a little bit too much. And that's where my life ended. And this is where everything goes downhill for Bernice, because I was cutting away and I did not realize that it tore right there.
Hold up!
The whole wig cap was gone in this moment. I was in distress. You can see the sadness on my face. I look miserable. I look so sad. And I was so angry because how did this happen?
Want to know how I'm feeling? I'm angry.
I tried to salvage whatever was left of the wig cap by trying to add more glue and trying to pull it down. I was really trying to redeem myself, y'all. I was trying to make things work and make things shake. But that wig cap was gone. I just had to make peace with it because that wig cap was gone. But I kept trying, though. I was the little engine that could, and I kept trying and trying. And I had this bright idea. Let me go ahead and use my hot comb and see if I can warm it up and lay it down. Wrong. Don't ever do that, okay? I almost burnt my scalp. It was just all around bad, okay? So if this is your first time, sis, please be careful how you're cutting your wig cap, because it can all just go downhill so quick, so fast. I just decided to go ahead and start tinting the wig because I was in distress. I'm trying out this ebon tinted lace. This is my first time hearing about it, so I was super excited to use it. It was super easy. I got it in the shade medium brown, I believe. And this is how it ended up looking and coming out after like 2 to 3 sprays. I really, really do like it, and I definitely would recommend it. Um, do you see the lace? Do you see that parting? Okay, yes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on just to like measure it out to see how far it comes, um, how much more of the wig cap I need to cut off, how far it can go near my hairline, all of that. I'm just measuring it out by putting the wig on top. And I would say this wig is like sort of big head friendly. Like it's not super tight, but it's not like loose and like overly comfortable. You know what I mean? So if you are like me and your head is big, then sis, it may just very well work for you. And it wasn't that bad of a pricing either. I believe this wig was $35 from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the wig up, like all the way up, because I'm trying to make it get near my hairline as well as see if I could cover up this wig cap without having to cut too much. And clearly I cannot cover up this wig cap. But look at that parting from the tint spray, y'all. It came out so good. I really, really do like this tint spray. And I think I would definitely like use it some more. And I would definitely recommend it. And I'm just taking a look around to see, okay, this is where my hairline is. This is where the wig's hairline is. This is where lace is and all that. So, yeah. Now that I figured everything out in regards to where I want to cut it, I'm going to go ahead and cut some more of this wig cap off. Like, a lot of it off. At this point, there's no need for it, but I'm just going to keep cutting it off until I no longer have as much wig cap showing underneath the lace, and just to get around the perimeters of my hair. Yay, so I'm finally not seeing any wig cap, so I'm very, very happy about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep pulling it down until I measure it out to the point that I need it to be. And then I'm gonna add my wig glue to it to lay down the lace. But make sure that your lace feels comfortable and that like it's a little bit further away from your hairline, like a little bit above it, just so you're not having your hair sticking out underneath as well. I'm going to use the tail end of my comb to try to press the wig down, the lace down, onto the glue, just so make sure that it's like laying all the way down to try to make it connect together. I found this to help me personally, just to make sure my lace was down. And I'm also using my hot comb to help press it down. And yes, y'all, please be careful with hot combs. The amount of times I almost burned myself doing this install was very, very, very ridiculous. But just use the hot comb on top of your hair if you want extra protection, to like try to push the lace down and to like melt it. Now I'm going to use my stocking cap sock thing to wrap around my head to help lay the lace down all the way. And I try to tie it as tight as possible, but not too tight to the point that I get a headache from it. And I left it on there for about like 15 to 20 minutes. While my hair was being wrapped, I took my hot comb to try to lay the parting area down. And I just went through it with the hot comb and just used the back end of the hot comb to press it down, to lay down. And it definitely helped to lay my parting flatter. So I would suggest doing that as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And y'all, it laid very, very well. So I was very happy about that, because we were struggling before, but you know, you just gotta keep pushing through. Eventually you get to a better result. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace as close to where my hairline is as possible. And please be very careful and go as slowly as possible so you don't ruin your lace. And this part of the ordeal went very well for me, so I was very happy about that. Once I got my lace together, I went ahead and started plucking away at the parting space and areas that I felt like had a little bit too much hair there, just to give it a more natural look. And then the sides of my wig cap, I forgot to glue that down, so I was just gluing that side down a little bit more. And yeah, we're getting close to the end, y'all. We're getting close to the end. We're just gonna go ahead and comb out our hair, and voila. This started off pretty rough, but it ended out pretty okay. I'm very, very happy with the results. I do really like this wig. It was only like $35, y'all, so I definitely recommend it. I'm so happy that everything came together. And for my first time, how do y'all think I did? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.